Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the WeelenkEco, and it is a energy-saving device, reactive power compensation at the power distribution end. So the way this is going to work is you're going to plug it in, and it's going to clean up the power. So you'll have things. So it should give you smooth power. So it'll give you a nice clean waveform. Like if you look at it here, like before you had the installation, you have power going all over the place. This one here will keep it clean. So I guess it's going to work with a particular circuit. So it says improves voltage stability, reduce transmission losses, and improves the power factor. So before the installation, it's got, it's just not a clean, wave form, and it should give you a nice clean waveform afterwards. So that's kind of the idea of it. And so the way it should work is we just plug it in. So let's just give this thing a try. I don't know if we're gonna see a difference other than our equipment should last longer and be better maintained. So it comes with the little transformer device and the 3 extra fuses. Hopefully we won't be blowing for fuses too much. And then it comes with the power cord to plug it in. So I will plug this in here, and then it just plugs into a 2-prong outlet, and then we should be good to go. So I'll plug it in. So I plugged it into the outlet that runs this TV and runs the lights and stuff in this room. So hopefully this room now will be well protected from different waveform stuff. Actually, this is what runs my router, and this circuit has my router and my automation system, my Raspberry Pi, all that stuff is all on here. So very cool. So now hopefully this will keep things nice and clean and make my equipment last longer and use a good amount of power instead of sucking up the whole everything. So kind of cool. Nice little device. Hopefully it's going to work and do what it says it does. So thumbs up.